Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Curl Rehab. So in today's video is a little different. It's not my usual setup, my film setup that I usually have. I'm just kind of freelancing today and filming this for you guys. So today's video is going to be about how I organize my nail polishes. I actually organized my nail polishes last year. The beginning of last year, I actually did an Instagram story of when I was organizing my nail polishes. I'll see if I can insert some of the clips of when I was doing it. But my actual shelf in the back of my room actually fell down where I used to have all my nail polishes. And it fell down, so I was like, okay, what am I going to do now? Because I have all these nail polishes just all over the place in my room. And I said, well, I had an idea of a way that I could organize them. So I want to just share that with you guys, just in case you're kind of going through something where you're trying to figure out how to organize your nail polishes. This is the way I've been organizing my nail polishes. So this black dress, guys, I actually got it from Amazon, and it's I forget how much it was, but I'll make sure if I can find it, I'll link it down below. But I used to have just earrings and like jewelry in it because it was like a jewelry bag for me. But a lot of the jewelry I threw away because I wasn't really using it. So what I decided to do instead was just put my polishes in, because I think that's like the most simpler way for me to organize my nail polishes. And I feel like I'm missing some nail polishes too. So actually these are some more that I had. I was going to paint my nails the other day and I didn't. But let me show you. Actually, I think this goes here. I got them kind of out of order. I think I had this. This is my little sticky base coat for like when I'm doing my nails, like regular polish. I'll use this Profix sticky base coat, which is really good. I got it from Walmart. I use this, and I use my Sally Hansen strengthening top coat. I think I have those actually in the front there. And then I put my top coats and base coats from Wish. I put them in here. And then I think I'll just put this one here. So yeah, I just stick them in like that, so it stays nice and secure. And like I said, I have them color coded. Go there. Yep. Okay. So oh, that one's popping out. So yeah, that's actually how I had it, I think. So yeah, I have my top coats and my base coats up here. This is for regular polish. This is for all my gels. And then these are all my gel polishes. I have several. These are gel polishes. These are gel polishes. This is a gel polish. This is a gel polish. All of these are gels. And then, so I have almost 2 rolls of gels. And then all these are regular polishes. And then I kind of try to color coordinate them somewhat. So I kind of have my white, my nude, kind of neutral colors. And I have my pinks, my reds, my purples. And then I have some more. And this actually could go up there too, but whatever. My burgundies. These colors, these are my colors I love for springtime and summertime. These are my oranges, my yellows, my greens. I love to wear more of those colors in the spring and summertime. So, yeah, blues. More blues. This is like black. We got 2 black colors here too. And then this is my gel light. This is my gel light. And in my video, guys, I actually I had a different color one. I had the light pink one. My light pink one actually stopped working after like a year or so of using the light. So I just bought another one. I probably had this one probably about 4 months now. Yeah, it's the same one though, just a different color. And then I don't know what this random stuff is. Then I got my little clippers, and this is my little cord that goes with the light here. My little cord here. So, and I usually would have my cotton balls in one of these as well, but I don't have cotton balls currently. But yeah, this is how I organize it. So pretty much what I did is I just put all my nail polishes together, and I kind of rinsed them because they were kind of dusty. So I rinsed all of them and I dried them on newspaper. Like I said, I'll try to insert the clips of when I did that. And then after that, I just color coordinated them and then put them all in here, as you see. So it really works well for me too. It seems like I'm more organized with it this way, but I'm more organized with this because I can pick a color out. Like I can choose my color. Okay, I think I want this one. So I'll use my yellow, and then once I finish my yellow, I can put it right back in instead of just randomly sitting it somewhere in my room. So this has really worked for me because I've had this probably set up for maybe 3 months, 3-4 months. I know I did it probably close to the end of the year last year. I think it might have been in December. So what, January, February, March. So about 3-4 months I've had it like this. And as you can see, I still have it nice and organized. So this is just something you guys can try out if you are trying to figure out what to do with your nail polishes. This is a way you can organize them. It's worked for me. Like I said, I hang it up right on my wall. And it's out of the way, so it's like it's very, very convenient. So just give it a shot if that's what you want to do. And yeah, that's how I'm organizing my nail polishes. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really quick, I was just going to show you guys how I organize my nail polishes. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. If you have any other questions about how I organize my nail polishes, let me know. Also, stay tuned for some more organization videos. I know I'm definitely going to be doing a hair product organization, hair tools, all the good stuff. I'm going to be doing a video on that too, but I just had to get my mind prepped for that because that's going to be a lot. So stay tuned for that video, and I hope you guys are having a great day whenever you're watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.